In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a character in Dopple AI. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to beta.dopple.ai, which is their official website, and you want to either create an account or sign in if you have one already. Once you've done that, to actually make a character, click on Create up top, and then here click on Create again. Now in here, you'll basically have to create your doppel because that's what they are called. The characters are called doppels. So you have to first give it a name. I'm going to give it a name, for example, let's just name him Robot Boy or something like, or just Robot, doesn't matter. And then you can give it a tag. So you can give it a tagline. I'm just going to do Robot for this instance. And here on the right, you can see what this profile is looking like on either mobile or desktop, as you can see. There we go. And then after this, you'll have to upload a profile image. I'm going to upload a random image of a robot over here. And I'm going to crop it, so you're going to have to crop it. I'm going to use this part, and then you'll have to zoom out a bit to be able to save the image. And then you will have to, of course, get the banner as well. So the banner is going to be, let's say, this one. There we go. Save image. And after you've done these two things, you can then go back. You have to give it a bio. So I'm just going to type in shortly, I am a robot. Of course, for you, you can just make it as long as you want and as detailed as you want. And then the category. In here, for example, it's gonna be, let's do silly, okay? And then the visibility is gonna be private. This is gonna be for me, but you can, of course, make it unlisted or public as well. So that's the first part. Then you wanna press continue. And here you have to give it a description. You have to describe it. I'm just gonna type in he's a robot and talks like a robot, okay? And then the greeting is gonna be, hey, I am robotic or something like this. Then you have to give it a content rating. So I'm just gonna give it everyone. It's gonna be a nice dude over here, but of course you can also make it teen or max as well, okay? Now here you can see a sample conversation. You can make it if you want to, but you don't have to. And then you can add URLs of your Doppel's lore in case that's something you wanna do. Now here you then wanna, of course, agree to terms and conditions and click on continue. And then it's going to start making your doppel. Now this can take upwards of 1 minute. As you can see, it did not, so there we go. You then have your doppel created and you've successfully created your character. Simply click on chat now or back to my doppels, and then in here you'll be able to, of course, see it. Once you refresh the site, you'll be able to see your doppels over here. There we go, there's the robot. You can click on it and then you can start the chat by clicking chat now, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.